Welcome to Quick Tech. You need to watch this if you struggle with choosing the right web host. Is WP Engine worth the money? It is a valid concern. WP Engine is known for its premium pricing. This often makes people think twice. They wonder if the benefits truly outweigh the higher cost. Choosing a web host is a critical decision for any online presence. It impacts your site's performance, security, and overall success. So, this question deserves a thorough and honest answer. We will explore this today. Web hosting can often be a source of major headaches. Many have experienced the frustration of their website suddenly going offline. Slow loading speeds are another common complaint. These can drive visitors away before they even see your content. Poor customer support can leave you feeling helpless when technical issues arise. These problems are not uncommon with cheaper hosting solutions. They can cost you time, money, and even your reputation. Finding a reliable host is key. Let's begin this exploration. WP Engine is a specialized web hosting company. It focuses exclusively on WordPress websites. This is a key differentiator. Unlike many hosts offering various types of hosting, WP Engine is a WordPress expert. They call themselves a WordPress digital experience platform. This means they offer more than just server space. They provide a suite of tools and services. These are designed to optimize WordPress sites. Their entire infrastructure is built around WordPress. This specialization allows them to fine-tune everything for this specific platform. WP Engine handles many of the technical aspects of running a WordPress site. This includes core WordPress updates. It also involves server-level caching for speed. Security is another major area they manage. They proactively monitor for threats and apply patches. This significantly reduces your workload. You spend less time on server maintenance. You can focus more on your website's content and business goals. WP Engine's core promises revolve around three main pillars: speed, security, and support. They invest heavily in technology to make websites load faster. This level of specialization is a significant advantage for serious WordPress users. One of the most significant advantages of WP Engine is its speed. Websites hosted on WP Engine tend to load very quickly. This is crucial for user experience and SEO. Google favors fast-loading sites. WP Engine achieves this speed through several technologies. Their proprietary caching system, EverCache, is highly effective. It ensures that your site's content is delivered swiftly to visitors. They also use content delivery networks, or CDNs. CDNs distribute your site's files across multiple servers globally. This means visitors load your site from a server geographically close to them, reducing latency. Customer support is another area where WP Engine truly shines. Many users report excellent experiences with their support team. They offer 24/7 support through chat and phone, depending on the plan. The support agents are knowledgeable WordPress experts. They can help with a wide range of issues, from simple queries to complex technical problems. This level of expertise is often missing with cheaper hosting providers. Having access to reliable and skilled support can save you a lot of time and frustration. It provides peace of mind knowing help is available when you need it. Security is a top priority for WP Engine. The flip side: acknowledging WP Engine's drawbacks. The most frequently cited drawback of WP Engine is its cost. There is no denying that WP Engine is more expensive than many other hosting options. Shared hosting plans, for example, can be found for just a few dollars per month. WP Engine's entry-level plans start significantly higher. This price difference can be a major barrier for individuals with small personal blogs. It can also be a concern for new businesses with limited budgets. You are paying for a premium, managed service. This includes advanced features and expert support. However, the higher price point means it is not for everyone. Another potential downside is the visitor limits on their plans. Each WP Engine plan comes with a specific monthly visitor allowance. If your website exceeds this limit, you may incur overage charges. These charges can add up quickly if your traffic consistently surpasses your plan's capacity. While WP Engine is transparent about these limits, it is something to be aware of. You need to choose a plan that adequately accommodates your expected traffic levels. For rapidly growing sites, this might mean needing to upgrade plans sooner than anticipated. WP Engine versus the competition, a quick look. When comparing WP Engine to standard shared hosting providers like Bluehost or HostGator, the differences are stark. Shared hosting is cheap because many websites share the same server resources. This can lead to slower speeds and less reliability, especially if other sites on the server experience traffic spikes. Management is also largely your responsibility. WP Engine, as a managed host, offers superior performance, security, and dedicated WordPress support. It handles updates and optimizations for you. The cost is higher, but you get a significantly more robust and hands-off experience. Shared hosting is for basic needs and tight budgets. Comparing WP Engine to other managed WordPress hosts, such as Kinsta or Flywheel, reveals a more competitive landscape. These providers offer similar features: high performance, strong security, expert WordPress support, and tools like staging environments. Prices are often in a similar premium range. The choice between them can come down to specific features, user interface preferences, or minor differences in their infrastructure. It is worth researching these alternatives. Read reviews and compare their specific plan details. This helps ensure you find the best fit for your particular requirements. For users with technical skills, a virtual private server or VPS is another option. The verdict: who should invest in WP Engine? Ultimately, whether WP Engine is worth it depends entirely on your individual needs, budget, and priorities. There is no single answer that applies to everyone. For some, the premium price will be a worthwhile investment. For others, it might be an unnecessary expense. It is crucial to assess what you truly require from a hosting provider. Consider your website's current traffic, its growth potential, and its importance to your business or personal goals. This self-assessment is the first step in making an informed decision. WP Engine is an ideal choice for certain types of users. Businesses, especially e-commerce stores, can greatly benefit from its reliability and speed. For an online store, downtime or slow performance directly translates to lost sales. High-traffic blogs and content-rich websites also thrive on WP Engine. The platform ensures a smooth experience for large numbers of visitors. Agencies and developers who build and manage multiple client sites appreciate the robust tools. Staging environments and collaborative features streamline their workflow. For these users, the cost is often justified by the performance and peace of mind. On the other hand, WP Engine might be overkill for some. If you run a small personal blog with minimal traffic, the advanced features and high cost may not be necessary. Hobby websites or sites that are not business critical can often perform adequately on good quality shared hosting. Final thoughts: weighing cost against value. Before making a final decision, take some time to carefully assess your website's specific requirements. Consider how much traffic you currently receive and how much you anticipate in the future. Think about how critical uptime and speed are to your objectives. If your website generates revenue or is essential for your brand's reputation, investing in premium hosting makes more sense. Also, consider your own technical skills. If you are not comfortable managing server-side tasks, a managed solution like WP Engine can save you considerable time and stress. This self-reflection is key. It is also important to consider the potential cost of choosing a high-quality host. What is the financial impact of your website going down for several hours? How much business could you lose due to slow loading pages? What is the cost to your reputation if your site is hacked? Sometimes trying to save money on hosting can lead to greater expenses down the line. These hidden costs of unreliable hosting should be factored into your decision-making process. Investing a bit more upfront can prevent larger problems and losses later. WP Engine is undeniably an investment. It is an investment in your website's performance, its security, and its stability. It is also an investment in your own time, as it frees you from many technical burdens. For businesses and serious website owners, this investment can pay significant dividends. It can lead to better user engagement, higher search engine rankings, and increased conversions. The platform is designed for those who demand the best for their WordPress sites. Check the link in the description to join WP Engine. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video and our channel. Cheers!